Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody's sent me this heart, and they want it, and I've already converted to a curve, and you have to convert it to a curve to get that node. So select that node, and then hit F12 on your keyboard, and you get your outline pin. And right here, if we put rounded corners, you get that. Or if we put mitered corners, you get a sharp point. So all depends on what look you want. I agree that it looks better than just the blunt. Now, in engraving, well, a heart this size might show up that much. But in printing, I'm sure he's probably going to print it. But it's just totally different look between that, and that. All your preference. And if we look at it, and really where it's going to show up, if we go to Object, convert the outline to an object, and then we left click, right click, you've got 2 points. Where if we, let's do that before we did anything, and if we turn it to an object, and we left click, right click, that's what you get a flat surface. So this would, so in engraving or cutting, you would want that right there. I would think, or the rounded, all depending on which one you want. But that way, if you're going to cut these two out and cut them out into a hairline, make sure they're set on hairline, and they're not, but we can hit F12, turn that into a hairline, and now they should cut out. Of course, there are one object. It'd almost be safer to, well, I'm sure they're a hairline. Yeah, they say there's a hairline right there. So that's how I would do it. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.